Hey guys, Chanel LV coming back at you again today. I have an unboxing would like to share, and this is gonna be my first Chanel beauty products. I have their perfume and that's about it. So I missed the gift set with that velvet pouch with lipstick, hand lotion, I believe, and a nail color. By the time I decided to get one, it was sold out. And when I go back to check on the website at the beginning of this year, this new gift set had shown up. I was excited about it and I love this one. So let's go and unbox this. It came like this. Here's the box and my receipt in black envelope. Return label, and this one is called Rouge Allure Ink Fusion. And here is the price. Not bad considering with the gift bag or pouch that I will be getting. I am more excited on that pouch, I tell you guys. So ends like this with this tissue paper. I just love to dump it. So anyway, how was your holiday? Hope you have a wonderful one. And that one. Here's my free sample. And I have another pouch. Wow, I didn't know it came like this. This perfume sample, the N5, I don't know how to pronounce it, Slave. It came with this pouch. How lovely. It's a thick nylon pouch. So if you guys gonna get a sample from ordering this, pick this perfume sample. It came with this beautiful pouch. Wow. So I have extra freebie here. I also get this Ultra Intense Velvet. I'm not sure. It's a foundation corrector. All right, guys. Let's see. On the website, it looks big. So I'm expecting a big pouch here. It's called the Ultrawear Intense Matte Liquid Lip Color Set. Oh my gosh, look how cute the pouch. I didn't expect it this small, but this is perfect, you guys. It says on the product description that it came with 3 shades of the extreme matte lip color for ultra intense effects. And it's waterproof for long wearing lipstick. And the formula saturates lips in high impact color with a very weightless feel. OMG, look at this pouch with this little CC logo zipper pull. Let me make this measurement, guys. I'm excited about this size. It's 4.5 inches in length, and the height is 2.5 inches, and the width is 2 inches. This could be my wallet. I am telling you, ooh, so soft. I'm more excited with this pouch. And another pouch. I can put this pouch inside the pouch. Wow. Oh my God. If I could have known, I have ordered 2 of this. Beautiful. Let's look at this lipstick. Like I said earlier, this will be my first liquid lipstick. I don't wear makeup normally, and my only beauty skin product that I have is the Dior Lip Glow, and that's it. I don't wear makeup. But the only reason I got this lipstick is because of this pouch. For $115, I get this freebie and this pouch, which is worth it, right? So for 3 pair of lipstick, if you divide it into 4, it's worth it, guys. I could use this as a card case holder, my keys, some cash. Oh, definitely I'm gonna love this one. So going back here, this is 1, 2, and 3. How about that? So this set includes Rouge Allure Infusion in 804 Mauvy Nude, which is this one. The True Red, which is this one. And the Berry, 824, 818, and 804. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's open one of this liquid lipstick. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to shake it or what. Hopefully it's not dried up inside. And it has that contour applicator. Ooh, so red. So berry. I'm not gonna put much because I don't want to waste it, guys. All right. Let's see. And that is the True Red. And the Mauvy Nude. Is right there. That's the Berry, True Red, and the Mauvy Nude. And obviously I'm Asian, and this is how it would look on my Asian skin. What do you guys think of the color? It's very moisturizing on my skin, and I think it's not supposed to dry up, so it will look kind of wet on your lips. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment below, and subscribe. and wait for my next video because I will have a very surprising unboxing in the next few days that is on the way that I cannot believe that I got. But look at this beautiful pouch. I can easily throw this on my bag, and I like the way it's red and the material, and that's just how it look inside. So soft and flexible. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, hope you enjoy this beautiful Rouge Allure Ink Fusion unboxing. Bye!